Roblox has free messy hairstyles and nobody's talking about it. In this video, I will show you how you can get messy hairs for free. But all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. And small shout out to my new subscribers. Alright, let's head out. Starting off with the easiest one, join this game with this logo. So the game is basically very simple. You have to complete the obby, which is very simple, and they promise to give free messy hair. It roughly took me around 9 minutes to complete the whole obby. The obby isn't too hard and neither it would be for you guys. I am almost done and it's the time to see if it's real or not. The moment of truth, will this work, guys? Wait, it's real! Well, they say that it will take 7 days to show in your inventory, which looks fake, but I will let you guys know if it really works. Next game in the list is Free Items Obby. This game has like many free hairs and wings too. Grinding in this game will be worth it. You can earn points by watching the 5-second ads, which will give you 1.5 thousand points. Just like that, I earned 7.5 thousand points in just 1 minute. Also, you earn points from the moment you join the game. They also count AFK or activity points. You can also play the obby and earn 100 points by completing each stage. In my opinion, grinding through ads is the best method. These are some of the items you will get from that game. Last game for today's video is Sleep for You GC. The name itself defines the game. Also, don't forget to claim the free points in daily rewards. In this game, you clean your bed and just sleep. Yes, you heard right, they give points by sleeping. I wish it was in real life, but anyways, just go AFK and your character will automatically grind for you. Once you get enough points, you can open UGC store and claim your favorite hairs for free. These are some of the cool hairs which you will get from that game. That's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which video you want next in the comments section, and I will see you guys in the next video.